Cut boneless chicken as shown and tap with knife. Plain flour, 500 grams. Paprika powder, 1 tablespoon. Cornstarch powder, 2 tablespoons. Chicken powder, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder, 1 tablespoon. White pepper, 1 tablespoon. Salt.as per taste. Chili sauce, 2 tablespoons. Add enough water and make a smooth paste. Marinate the chicken pieces in the prepared batter. For braiding, flour, 2 kilograms. Cornstarch, 3 tablespoons. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. White pepper, 1 tablespoon. Salt, as per taste. Chicken powder, 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder, 1 tablespoon. Coat the marinated chicken pieces with prepared mixture. Dip the coated chicken pieces in water. Give a second coating to the chicken pieces. Deep fry the chicken pieces until light golden and crispy. Apply mayonnaise on the lower piece of burger bun. Apply cheese slice on upper piece of burger bun. Add iceberg over mayonnaise. Place the fried chicken. Top up with Thousand Island dressing. Ready to serve.